Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a water bomb, which is a cool little balloon or inflatable box. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side up, and now we'll valley fold in half along the horizontal. So we'll bring the top edge down to the bottom edge. Just line that up corner to corner, and then crease it down. And then unfold. Now bring the right edge over to the left edge. And then crease that one. And unfold. Now turn the paper over. Now we'll valley fold in half along both of the diagonals. So we'll bring this top right corner down to the bottom left corner. And crease that all the way across and unfold. Now bring the top left corner down to the bottom right. And crease that corner to corner and then unfold. Next, we're going to form all these creases at the same time. So we'll start by bringing these two edges right in the center down to the center and the bottom. Then as we do that, we can push this flap down until it forms a little triangle, and then press everything down firmly. Now we have what's called the water bomb base. Next, we're going to bring this bottom right edge in to lie along this center vertical crease. And we'll do this with just one flap. Just bring this point all the way up to the top. And crease that. And we'll do the same thing on the left side. Again, just with one flap. Bring that point all the way up to the top. And crease it down. Now turn the model over right to left. Then we'll repeat those steps on this side. So bring this right point up to the top. Same on the left side. Next, we're going to bring this point on the right into the center. And do this with just one flap. Bring that into the center, and before you crease it down, what we want to do is make this edge vertical, so it should be parallel to this edge in the center. Once that looks like it's parallel, you can crease it down nice and firm. Then do the same thing on the left side. Just fold that point in to meet the other in the center. And then crease it. Now we'll turn the whole model over, right to left, and then we'll do that same thing on this side. So we'll bring this point into the center. And this time you can just match it up with the edge behind it. Then same thing on the left side. Next, we're going to valley fold this flap down, and we'll bring this edge in to lie along this edge. just like that. And the same thing on the left side. Next, we're going to be tucking this flap on the right into the pocket here. And it's easier to get this started by making a soft valley fold right along this edge. So just fold that over along the edge and crease it really softly. And then we'll open this flap up. You'll notice there's a little pocket here if you separate the layers apart. We're going to tuck this into the pocket, and it helps if you round it a little bit. Then once you can get that corner in there, just try to push it all the way in. Once it's nice and snug, you can crease it down firmly. We'll do the same thing on the left here. So we'll make a soft crease like this. And then open that pocket up. Round it and tuck it in. Now it should look like that. Now we can turn the whole thing over and repeat those steps on this side. So on this right flap, we're going to bring this edge in to lie along this edge. Same thing on the left. Now on the right side, we'll make that soft valley crease. And then open the pocket and tuck it in. And same on the left. Now, if you look on the bottom of this, you'll notice there's a small hole here. For the final step, we're going to blow directly into that hole, and then it's going to inflate the whole model. So I will show you what I mean. Now it should look like that. It might take a couple tries to get it. It can kind of help. I'll show you one more time. If as you're inflating it, if you kind of pull upwards on these edges, then if you want to make it look a little more like a cube, you can just really lightly touch the edges here. Just do really light creases and it's a bit more like a cube. Now it's also possible and pretty easy to fold a water bomb with wings. I'll post a link to the video showing you how to do that right here. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.